Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do a love bite for you. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Virgo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll take it on from there. So my angels, spirit guides, what do you have for my Virgo gang now? Blessing, advice or a message card? Too many. Just need one spirit. One card for my Virgo gang, please. This one. All right. Let's keep this one here, Virgo. Put the rest back. And the card I get for you, Virgo, is believe. Believe things are going to be all right. Okay. So what you need belief in, we'll figure out in a minute. Virgo, let's open your cards and see why this card of belief is here. Okay. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the Omkara family. I'm really grateful and very blessed to have all of you here. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you in. Do subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So Virgo, let's see what you need to know. This is going to just be a simple 9-card spread, Virgo, to check on your energies and see if there's anything that you need to know now and any advice if required. And if you need a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So bottom of my deck, Virgo, I have the King of Swords, but he's in reverse, right? So either you have encountered, sorry, excuse me, my throat choked up for a minute. Either you've encountered a person like this who doesn't have very good communication skills, right? They are harsh, rude, mean, and maybe something has been done or said here. Let's see. 6 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, and the Tower. Yes, as I suspected. Judgment, 10 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords, 3 of Pentacles, and the 8 of Cups. So Virgo, believe things are going to be all right. I know things have kind of blown up here, but from what I see, there is a return happening soon and things are going to get better. Yes, you're going through a period of a bit of restless energy, but what happened in the past, Spirit? 6 of Pentacles? What happened in the past? There was a question of equal give and take. Okay, it's maybe one person was giving to 2 here, Virgo, or somebody was not giving enough. One person was putting in more effort than the other. I think some tower moment here happened here, Virgo, where it probably led to a fight where somebody said, hey, I'm no longer working on this. I'm releasing this toxicity which is there in our relationship altogether. But the point here is, even though one person was very clear when they did this or this fight happened, it's actually led to both of you feeling quite sad and isolated and upset and bored because there is no movement now. There is a bit of stagnation in the relationship after this fight, after people have walked away, I think, or released. With this clear communication, whatever happened must have been quite harsh as well. It's kind of blocked the movement between the two of you. And there is a feeling of sadness and boredom, feeling rejected, dejected. But there is love here as well. There is a lot of love here. You both really do love and care for each other. Yes, maybe the masculine sometimes cannot show his emotions as well as he would like to. Maybe sometimes uses harsh communication. But the love is there, okay? And they do see their counterpart as beautiful, loving, caring, nurturing. Everything is there, but maybe somebody did not invest enough on time, okay? Or maybe the other person felt that one person is not putting in enough investment, and that's the reason I think this judgment call was taken, which led to a tower moment. So what was this Tower moment, Spirit, then between them? What's this Tower moment? Whatever happened here, whatever fight has happened here, Virgo, I think both of you are, or at least one of you is feeling it was rather a foolish fight. There was really no need for a fight here. There is going to be effort made to heal this fight, Virgo. Just believe things are going to be well, okay? From what I see in the cards, yes, the fight has happened. Both do care for each other. Both are feeling bad now that it's happened. There is regret, there is sorrow, and there's a feeling of wasted time here, okay? That's the feeling I'm getting. Like two people who really care for each other are now miserable without each other, thinking, oh my God, we're just wasting time, and being alone and miserable is not the best thing, right? So yes, people are feeling foolish here and wanting to now heal broken hearts. I do feel there is a possibility of a rebirth here, Virgo, and this Ten of Cups is in the upright, which means, yes, this does give you a lot of happiness, both of you together. This is not a Nine of Cups. This is a Ten of Cups, which is wish fulfillment for both of you. And then I have the Seven of Pentacles. I think both of you now want to reinvest in this connection, come back and start putting in equal amount of work. Let's see. Judgment. Spirit, why is the Judgment card here? Why is the Judgment card here, Spirit? The point here is whoever has said the harsh, rude, mean words, they are also very miserable, and of course so is the other person. So now the passion is kind of on the downside, okay, because you guys probably not together. One or both of you are miserable without each other. I think both of you are, both having sleepless nights, both wishing and hoping that this fight had never happened, wanting each other, and I think you can expect a message, Virgo. Either your partner is going to be messaging you soon, or you're going to be messaging your partner. So don't have any ego here. If you've heard this reading and you want to go ahead, please do, because I do see a very successful outcome of this message. It's going to get you guys back together in a very, very happy way. So Ten of Cups, Spirit. Just as I said, there's a little bit of delay going on here, Virgo. This is a delay card, but you are going to get back together and end this fight. After a little bit of delay, that's all there is, nothing. It's going to end up making you guys very happy once again. But we have more cards to go. Let's see what they want to say. But smack middle of my read, to have a Ten of Cups means believe, Virgo, things are going to be fine. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Transformation. So if somebody was not putting in enough work in the past here, Virgo, now it's all going to change. This card was here earlier as well, when somebody was not putting in enough work or whatever. But now after you guys come back, after this fight is kind of sorted out, there's going to be a transformation in this relationship where things will be put right. There will be equal give and take here now. But right now, from what I see, you are very, very restless. Not being able to rest, not being able to sleep, worrying, not feeling at your best here, Virgo, feeling there is no more future, there's no more abundance to be had, no more fertility, growth, forward movement. So that's making you kind of restless at the moment, because you don't know whether you guys are ever going to come back together, whether you guys can work together or not. But a decision is going to be made, okay? Most probably by the feminine here, from what I see. After worrying for some time about things not getting back into, working together again, I think a decision is going to be made by the Queen of Wands. So this is a younger energy. If there are two people, let's say this, because this just doesn't mean it's going to be a lover in you, right? So if there are two people here, I see a Empress in reverse and a Queen of Wands in the upright. So the younger one, I think, the younger of the two, whoever you guys are, is going to pick themselves up, make a decision, and maybe send that message. There is a return here. Eight of Cups. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. What's this Eight of Cups, Spirit? In the past, if you know, Virgo, if you both felt that all promises made by this masculine were all false, they never fruitified, it was all false promises, and that's the reason this other person has kind of drained out their love or is now feeling hopeless about the situation. Once somebody returns, it's going to be balanced and equal. There's going to be equal give and take in the situation. Again, this card is here twice. This was the problem in your relationship. There was no balance. But now balance will be returned after this return of this relationship. Somebody is returning from your past. Okay? There's been a bit of delay. There's been a fight here. But I do see somebody now coming back. And this time round, it's going to be perfect. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. So believe, don't give up hope, okay? Love and light. Namaste.